My name na David Eke. NaMechBeDis. I wan tell una small things so una fit do to reduce cost to repair una motor. Make una tell una so that early in the morning, say you wake up, you can't open your bonnet just as the bonnet open so. You can't check your hydraulic and you see and say the hydraulic go down small. Go meet your mechanic. If it be say na the master na it dey leak, or if it be say the caliper, the brake pad don dey shop, make I show una. Okay, I don lose am. Make una see as e be. Una see I say the piston don come outside, and as the piston come outside, so the hydraulic go dey follow the piston, so the hydraulic go dey short for the master. And if una see the brake pad, una see I say the brake pad don shop. Yes, as this brake pad don shop, so e good you go meet your mechanic make dem change am, because if dem no change am, e fit cause big wahala. Wahala like, see your brake disc. This brake disc now is about 45 to 50,000 naira for one. But how much the brake pad? If you get brake pad for 7,000 naira, 10,000 naira, 50,000 naira, depend the grade where you wan buy. So e good make you dey always dey go meet your mechanic, make you dey always dey check why your hydraulic dey go down, either because the brake pad don short, or the hydraulic dey leak from the master, or e dey leak for any of the piston, because the piston go fit still leak, because e get rubber, e fit still leak for the piston, or this hose wey dey control the hydraulic. No be only this leg this piston dey, the piston dey for the 4 leg. So if you reach there, tell your mechanic make e check the 4 leg, make e know where the problem dey come from, so that you go solve am in time before wahala go burst. So if you dey always dey check your motor like this, e go make you to reduce cost for wetin you go dey spend. Yes, make una like, subscribe, and make una still dey follow, so that I fit dey bring more tips to show una.